Welcome to our EV event. I'm Bill Hicks. I'm the general manager at Valley Volkswagen, and today we are spending the day doing our Volkswagen EV launch at Shops of Don Mills. And we picked this spot because it's really close to our dealership, but we figured we'd get some unique customers to come and test drive our ID Buzz and ID4 vehicle. This is our 2025 ID4. So this vehicle we've had for 3 years now, and we've getting lots of attention from this vehicle. It's a great city vehicle, and we are seeing huge amount of attention on this particular vehicle. This beautiful vehicle was launched 3 months ago, and we're getting unbelievable attention on it. From the huge campaign that Volkswagen's doing on this national campaign, we are getting customers coming in wanting to sit in the vehicle, just check it out. And it comes with a number of different configurations. This one here has the two-tone paint, the all-wheel drive, and of course, the beautiful interior as well. And just the luxury of the vehicle, it's just unbelievable. Come visit us at Valley Volkswagen, where you can meet our wonderful staff and get a chance to road test and actually check out these vehicles. They're unbelievable. Now's the time to do it. We've got great deals going on at the store right now.